Hello, in this video I will show you how to shorten your link and earn money from that. Now, it's a very easy process. So what you have to do is you have to just simply go to websites like Linkvisitor or Adfly or shrinkme.io. These are all websites that can shrink your link and then create a new link for the end user. Now, how exactly you're going to pay it is you have to just simply come to these websites and then click on create link over here. Now, you will have an option of the URL section right over here. So over here, what you would do is you have to just simply paste a URL. Now, let's say, for example, I want to take a simple URL. So I'm going to just simply paste a random YouTube video link. So just simply paste them right over here. Then just simply click on the next option right over here. Now it will analyze your file, and right over here, you can do a lot of settings that you can see right over here. You can add titles, banner, and the third step, you can do SEOs. So it's a very easy process. Now, let me tell you how exactly you're going to earn from it. So over here, there are three ways how you can make money. You can promote materials for a website owner. You can promote things for YouTubers or materials for forums, as you can see right over here. Now, as I just simply uploaded a simple YouTube video, what you can do is you can create channels on Instagram or TikTok where you can post trendy videos. And under that, you can just simply paste these links or any link that you have, which you have already shortened it with this particular website. Now, once anyone will click on that link, so as you may have already seen pages like this, where you will have to wait for 3 to 5 seconds in order to proceed to the next or the main website. And when these type of websites will appear on your screen, you will find a lot of ads that are popping up on the screen. So this is exactly how you will get money. So as long as people stay on these type of pages and the more watch time the ads get, that is the amount of money that you will get. So what your target have to be, you have to create as viral worthy of a video that you possibly can. So as you can see right over here, you will have videos like these, which will have 40 million, 60 million, 11 million views. Now, it will totally depend on the video link that you're promoting. Like for example, if you're promoting anything related to food, so just simply search for food videos. Now, they simply take the most viral videos like this one, or this one. These are all viral videos. So just simply get them and repost them. And if you want, you can also give credits, but it's not necessary. Now, once people will open a video, they will be able to see a link. And now if they click on the link, and then even if they stay on the link for 5 seconds, you will get some amount of money. And let's say if they did a quick sign up on that link, you will get more money. Now, the amount of money that you can get varies from what exactly the viewer is doing on that link. So, for example, if they just viewed the link for 5 seconds, you will get approximately 50 cents. And let's say they just simply signed up on that particular link, you will get up to $1 to $2. And then they just simply bought something from that link. And if that happens, you can get up to $5 to up to $20 from just a single person. So the amount will vary, but this is basically how you can do it. So you can get all the necessary links in the description box below. So that's it. And if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.